Hey everyone, welcome back to MindVerse, where we dive deep into the future of creativity and tech. Imagine you could turn a simple sentence into a cinematic video, without actors, cameras, or a crew. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, today we're talking about the best AI tool for video generation, and how it's changing the game. Why AI video generation matters now, why should creators even care about AI-generated video? Because it solves a huge headache, cost and effort. Traditionally, making a video means hiring people, renting gear, and spending days or weeks. With AI, you can generate full scenes, camera movements, and even audio, just from text or images. This is powerful not only for indie creators, but also for marketers, educators, and storytellers. Top AI video generation tools. Let's explore some of the leading AI tools for video generation right now, and what makes them stand out. 1. Runway Gen-4. Runway's Gen-4 is one of the most advanced text-to-video models available. It allows you to control camera movements like pans, zooms, and realistic motion in generated scenes. Great for cinematic shots, concept teasers, and creative storytelling. 2. Google Veo 3. Developed by Google DeepMind, Veo generates videos from text prompts. The latest version, Veo 3, can generate native audio, including dialogue, ambient sounds, and lip-sync voices. Ideal for realistic, production-quality video generation. 3. Luma AI, Dream Machine. Luma Labs' Dream Machine is built specifically for creative video generation. You can use plain text, emojis, or reference images to generate expressive, stylized video. Perfect for visual storytelling, social content, or imaginative scenes. 4. LTX Studio. Created by Lightrix, LTX Studio gives you more manual control. You can script, design storyboards, and direct camera framing. Very useful if you want a balance between AI automation and creative freedom. 5. Open source option. Open-Sora. Open-Sora is an open-source model focused on democratizing video generation. It supports text-to-video and image-to-video tasks, and is designed to run efficiently. Good choice for developers, creators who like to experiment, or anyone on a tighter budget. How to choose the right tool. So with all these options, how do you pick the best AI video generation tool for you? Here are some key factors: quality versus speed. If you want ultra-realism and professional quality, tools like Veo 3 or Runway Gen-4 are amazing. For quick, creative videos, Luma or LTX Studio may work better. Control over scenes. Do you want to direct camera movements, choose angles, or control how subjects move? Runway and LTX give more manual control. Audio needs. If your video needs voice, sound effects, or lip sync, go for Veo 3, which supports native audio generation. Budget. Open source models like Open-Sora are free to use, depending on compute, while commercial tools may have subscription plans or credit systems. Use case. For marketing, ads, right pointing arrow, Runway or Veo. For storytelling, reels, right pointing arrow, Luma Dream Machine. For experimentation or dev, right pointing arrow, Open-Sora. Tips for getting started. To start with AI video generation, write clear prompts. Detailed prompts help AI understand what you want, include style, mood, camera direction. Use reference images. If a tool supports it, reference images can guide the AI to generate more coherent scenes. Iterate. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Generate multiple versions, pick your favorite, then refine. Post-edit. Use a lightweight video editor to polish, add transitions, or mix AI clips with real footage. To wrap up, AI video generation is no longer sci-fi. It's a tool that's accessible, powerful, and growing fast. Whether you're a storyteller, marketer, or creative tinkerer, there's an AI tool that fits your style and needs. Thanks for watching MindVerse. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which AI tool you would love to use the most. See you in the next video. Stay creative and keep exploring.